Hello there guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm in Castro Marim at the castle. It's in the eastern Algarve, high up in the hills overlooking Villarreal and Montegordo. I've not got a clue what I'm going to see, I've not done any research, I've just stumbled across it. So I'm going to take a little walk around the castle, but the village, Castro Marim, looks absolutely beautiful. Looks like it's like 50 years behind time, it's beautiful. Come and join me guys. There's the shop of the castle where you buy your tickets. I have no idea what I'm going to see up the top, but I do know guys, if you've not got good mobility, don't even bother coming up here, because it's a hard walk just to get to where I am now. Hopefully we're going to get some stunning views from the top of the castle. Whoa. Oh yeah, beautiful. Wow. Looks like the salt mines down there. There are some modern buildings here, but it's traditional Portuguese. Beautiful views. Villarreal in the background there. Oh, stunning views that. Let's go and take a walk around guys. I'm climbing to the top of the castle, and in the background there, I don't know if you can make it out, but that's the bridge that splits Portugal from Spain. And over the water there, you've got España. I'll make it to the top guys. The top of here, so there's the turrets. I'm hoping on the other side there's some staircase that'll take me to the top of the turrets. Let's go and check it out. Wow, stunning views. Really, I should have done my research before I come, so I could have waffled on about how the army protected the country from this position, from the castle. Oh, some stunning views there. The Ayamonte in the background. I don't even know when this was built guys, but when I get home I will do my research. Let's have a look what's in here. There's not much left of the building. All right, inside. That's beautiful inside. They're giving you a little bit of information about the history. Oh, it's beautiful inside there, ultra modern. There's one more lot of steps. I don't think you're allowed to go there. There's a gate on there, or maybe, let's see. You can, yep. Oh, I can't get it open. No, it must be closed. Had have been the top view from up there. Let's pop back down. See what's down here, and then we'll take a little tour of this beautiful old-fashioned Portuguese village. Okay, this is the torture chamber guys. Torturous medieval. Let's see if there's anything we can see. No, there's nothing there. Or maybe inside. Obrigado. There's some of the contraptions that they used many years ago. I have been to one in Spain, in a town called Ronda, and they have the medieval torture chambers there, and it's horrendous what they used to do to people. Fortunately, you can't really tell there. Only that one there. They were quite cruel years ago, weren't they, people? I'll have a look at the views from the top of the castle there. Oh, so, if you fancy a nice day out, a good workout, and a nice lunch in a lovely Portuguese village, check Castro Marim out, guys. I'm going to see what restaurants there are down there. I do believe there's some nice ones, but we are between lunch and dinner now, so they might not be open. But we'll check it out anyway, guys. Well, this is a beautiful little village. Looks like it's one of those places where you could just leave your doors open all day and nothing will happen. Really cute houses here. You can smell the washing on the line there. Just going to check some restaurants and cafes out if they're still open, guys. You got the church in the background there. This looks like the square. I would imagine they have some entertainment on in the peak season. Some camera work going on there. Equipment's a little bit better than mine, guys. Yeah. Mine's a toy compared to that. So what have we got here? I think it's the camera. The council building. The law office. Caixa Geral Depositor. The first of the snack bars. Some lovely little streets. Top of the castle in the background there. What's this? Oh, stop smoking, that. That's a weird one, isn't it? Stop smoking, it'll chop your head off. Look, lovely the streets. Smells so fresh here. All you can smell is drying washing. Let's see what's over here. That's what it smells like. It might not be that. Ah, Mercado Municipal. That's very nice. Oh, you've got the beers, wines, spirits. Castro Marim t-shirts there. I think I might purchase one of them myself. What a beautiful building this is. So it's Reserve Naturel, protected from the birds, or for the birds I should say. They do walk-in tours around here. Wow, look at the materials they make, guys. Is that wicker, did they say? Yeah, I've got prices on these. $9.25, that's not too bad, is it? Handbags. Let's get the price. €25 for the wicker baskets. What a lovely place this is. Check that out, guys. A lovely building. Obrigado. It's a lovely quirky place, this. Let's go and check the square out, if there is one. Quite sure I've seen one earlier on. Even Castro Marim has got a tattoo parlour. It's a local mobile phone shop there. Yeah, guys, it's lavender I can smell. Forget me going on about a wash house. That's what it did smell like originally, but it's lavender everywhere. Cafe Safarim. You okay? It's a very nice cafe. Might try and have a little drink in there and maybe a snack before I go. What a gorgeous little village this is. The barbers. It is 4 o'clock, guys, so I don't know what time they reopen. The banks are shut. Yeah, the restaurants looks like they're closing. There are people in there. Encontré amigos. Cachoca. Prata de dia. Lulinas. And cachaça granada. You got the post office there. Farmacia there, the chemist. I'm sure I've seen something down here before. Let's have a look. No. I'll go down here. A little pedestrianised bit here. Then I'll turn left at the road. That's for sale, that house. Lovely. Oh, what a beautiful little village this is. Oh, looks like there's a football ground there. So Castro Marim must have their own football team. I'm not too sure what division they're in. Looks like a school there. Another house for sale there. Let's check the front of it out. Got another couple of bars over there. Little chill out zone here, guys. There's a house for sale. Hopefully these bars are still open. May be able to get myself a little snack. Not much action in that one. Well, they're quite large actually. Snack bar Fortaleza, that's where we're going to go, guys, yeah? We'll finish the day there, guys, yeah? Let's check it out. Well, guys, I've just popped into this cafe on my way home. It's 10 to 5. I haven't had a thing all day. So I thought, look, have a quick drink and a quick snack. Look how beautiful this is. It's a toaster mister. Look how nice that is, guys. Presented really nice. I'll give it a go and I'll let you know, guys, what it's like and how much it is. That's going to fill a gap, that, guys. And the bread's quite thick. It's loaded with ham and cheese. I'm actually going to struggle to finish it. Very, very filling that. It's lovely. Last piece of the toaster mister. I didn't think I was going to do that, guys, but absolutely lovely. Well, guys, just got the bill for that. Lovely toaster mister. Bottle of Sangria, €4.20. Can't beat that. So, if you're in the East Algarve area, maybe heading to Villarreal, or even if you're going to Spain, take a little diversion before the bridge and come and check this lovely traditional Portuguese village out, Castro Marim. You won't be disappointed, guys. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button. And if you can recommend any places that you'd like me to go and do a walking, talking tour, just drop a message in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next one, guys. Ciao for now.